Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Nail of the Week, and if you'd like to see this look, then you better keep watching. Welcome back, everybody. So great to see all of you. I'm back doing another nail design, and this one is another fall look. Now, here in Minnesota, and if you live in a state that has fall, you know it is so beautiful when the leaves start to change and then they all fall on the ground. It's just absolutely beautiful. You get the reds, the greens, the yellows, the browns, the orange. It's just gorgeous. So that's what I decided to go with this week, was a leaf design, and I made it look like they were falling on the ground. And then I have added in glitter just to give them some glitz, because I love glitter, I love shine, I love sparkle. So that's what I went with, and I kind of just did an up look, a down look, just to make them look like, you know, falling on the ground. So I hope you guys will enjoy this look. I hope you try it out, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in my very next video. Love you guys. Take care, and God bless. Let's get started on this design. Hi, everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design. A beautiful fall leaf look. If you'd like to see how I did this one, please continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week and another beautiful fall look. I've decided, since here in Minnesota there is just leaves everywhere and it is so beautiful, that I would do a leaf look laying on the ground. That's why I've got the background as a green. And we all know that the grass changes color too. It's not as bright in the fall, but it's still so beautiful. And then you've got all the multicolored leaves laying on the ground. It's gorgeous. So I've started this off with a army to olive green. It's much brighter here on the camera, but it is definitely the color. Just think of an olive or the army green. That's what color it is. And it's this one right here by the OPI Infinite Shine. It's a gel-like, and it's called Olive for Green. Perfect color for it. I got that from Sally's. Then I'll be working with acrylic paints, and I'm going to water these down. I'm working with red, green, orange, and yellow, since those are all the beautiful fall colors here. So I'll be doing that. Then after I get the leaves on, I'm going to be working with all the same colors in a micro glitter that I got from Joann Fabrics. You've got the green, the gold to represent the yellow, the red, and the orange. Just to really brighten the leaves up, I'm just going to kind of run it through the leaves just a little bit. And what I do with that is I mix in a little bit of a clear polish and just pour a little bit out on a plate and mix it. And then I go through with my brush, which is this one here, the 10/0. It's my liner. I'll be working with that. And then I will top everything off with my Dry Fast Seche Vite. So I am going to get started on some of the leaves. I will return to show you guys how I'm doing that. Okay, now you see I've got the beautiful leaves just sporadically. Some at the top, some at the bottom, some overlap. Some got the red and the yellow and the green. Some got the red, orange, and green. I just kind of, you know, was doing it just fun, just the way leaves would fall. This is the way I've got the thumbs going. And it's just different looks of leaves, and I love it. So let me show you. Here is my palette. Got the red, orange, yellow, and green. And I'm just going to dip into, let me draw it in. I'm going to start here with red. Let's add the red first. So I'm going to get a little bit of paint on my brush. And I'm going to start at the top here, since that one's at the bottom. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'll go right here. And I'm going to do this one, just going like this. Make a V, okay? And then in between the V, make another V. A little bit more paint. And then bring out your point at the end right there. There's your red one. Now I'm just going to kind of go through and add just a little bit more, even though we're going to have the glitter. I just don't want it so transparent. So like that. Then I'm going to go to the yellow, dipping in the yellow. And right over here, I'm going to do a regular leaf like I've done before. We just go to one side, go to the other. And I'm making this one a little bit bigger. And fill it in and then just bring out your point like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go with the green, get a little bit of green, and I'm going to kind of do that same design, but down in here. So I'm just going to go V, V, like that. And then it doesn't matter if they overlap. Then do another V, and then we'll bring this one out at the end. And then I'm just going to fix it just a little bit more right there. So that's that finger. Then the next one I'm going to start up in this corner over here. Whoops. So I'm going to grab the green first, and I'm going to make this just a leaf-like. So I'm just going to go to one point, draw it around, and then to another point, drawing it around, and pull that little part there, and we'll fill this in here. Okay, that's the green. Then I'm going to go to orange and grab some paint. And I'm going to do this one to this side. So the same thing. I'm going to go to one side, to the other, to one side. And don't worry, like I said, if they overlap. You want that. And I know they're wet, so just do a gentle touch when you're doing it, or you can wait for them to dry. I'm doing it and just, you know, going over. But if you know how to work with it, you can do it while they're wet. Just be careful. Otherwise, wait in between. And then I'm going to grab yellow. And I'm going to put a yellow one right about here. So I'm going to go to one side, to the other, to one, to the other, and draw that out. Fill it in just a little bit so it's not so transparent again. And then I'm going to do another one next to it, just like that. So I'm going to go over here, pull it out, and up. Just like that. Let's give that just a little bit more yellow. So there are my leaves. I'm going to back away now. There are my leaves. I'm going to let them dry up, and I'm going to get the glitters ready to go. Okay, now I have got the glitter running through them. Isn't that beautiful? I did leave a couple leaves open to show you, but see what I'm talking about? It just gives it that little spunk or whatever you want to call it. Like, it'll make it stand out even more. So let me show you. I've left a couple fingers open here. I left a red leaf and an orange leaf. Here is my palette all mixed up here with the glitters. So I just need the orange and the yellow right now. So I'm going to start with the red, dip into the red that I've made, and that's just with a clear polish. And you just want to lightly go through. So I'm just going to lightly go through this one right here. I'm going to go all the way up to the top to start with, and then I'm just going to pull the glitter out to the sides because I don't want the glitter super thick or anything. Just want it to be just that little bit of sparkle. Then we're going to go into the orange. Hopefully my orange is not too bad right now because, you know, they do, when you're using polishes, they do thicken up. Let me pour a little bit of more clear coat into this one. And mix it up. Sorry about that, guys. Should have realized it would dry up because polish does dry pretty quick. Okay, then we're just going to go up to this orange one right here and the same thing. Pull it up to the top and then just pull the orange out to the sides like that. And you're giving it just that perfect little sparkle. It's not overwhelming. You still see the design of the leaves from behind. And I just think that it just gives it, I don't know. I just really, really like it. When you see it up close here, I really like it. I just think it's so pretty and fall-like. So now what I'm going to do is top coat everything with Seche Vite, and I'll return to show you guys the end product. Alrighty, I am all done. And look how cute this one is. I really love it. Like I said, it is so pretty here in Minnesota. If you live in a state that definitely has 4 seasons and you get the fall and all those leaves change color and then they fall on the ground, it's just absolutely beautiful. So I definitely wanted to throw in a design with leaves, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys love it. I hope you will give it a try. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in my very next video. Take care, everyone, and God bless.